NBA 2018 Topps Gold Label has just come out, so we have a box. We will be getting one golden framed autograph. So we hope that's pretty cool. The first year we ever did this, we got a Corey Kluber. Then it was a Steven Matz, which wasn't as good, but let's hope we get something even cooler this year. This box has 33 cards, and each pack comes with 5 cards. Let's find out what our autograph is. First up, Cal Ripken Jr. Really like the background of these cards. Got the Class 1 on the top right there. I think that's your left and my right. And our first numbered card is a blue Ozzie Smith, numbered out of 50. So that one's pretty cool. Like the blue difference. Then we have Barry Larkin and David Ortiz. I feel like this card has a big auto, so we'll save that for last. If you guys want to, just skip to the end and you'll see that. Or you can see some more cards here in the boring packs. Jackie Robinson. Ryan McMahon, rookie card. Alex Bregman of the team who won the World Series last year and is in it maybe to win it again this year. Alex Verdugo, rookie card. Hoping the Dodgers win the World Series. That will be nice. Carlos Correa. Hoping they get past the Red Sox. No, this one definitely has our auto. So let's open this one. Ryan Sandberg, Yoan Moncada, Michael Conforto, Roberto Clemente, and Ozzie Smith. Corey Kluber, our first ever golden frame autograph card. Javier Baez, Charlie Blackmon, Christian Yelich, who is very good this year, and then Gary Sanchez, the great Sanchini. I see one more pack in there after this. And we have our autograph pack. I don't understand how there's 33 cards in here, though. Mike Piazza. Francisco Mejia, rookie card. Chris Davis. In one picture, he's saluting. I don't know why that. Austin Hayes, rookie card. And Ernie Banks. So if there's 33 cards, then that means, like, there's got to be a pack of... Oh, maybe, even though it says 5 cards there, it must be 3. Huh. I don't know why it says 5 cards on the pack then. Scott Kingery, rookie card. Mookie Betts. Andrew McCutchen. Victor Robles, our hottest opener this year. And then Chipper Jones. Now let's see who our autograph is. 3 cards, and one of them is Sandy Koufax. I really wish that was our auto. First up, we have Luis Severino. And then Sandy Koufax. But our autograph gold frame is Harrison Bader, rookie card. So that one's a pretty cool card. I wish the Cardinals were still in the playoffs or even got in them, but they will redeem themselves next year. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Signing out for now. See ya!